Hello students, today my topic is intermediate first year 1B Maths, the chapter 9 differentiation, 7 marks important question. Now here question 2, second question. If under root of 1 minus x square plus under root of 1 minus y square is equals to a into x minus y, then show that dy by dx is equals to under root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. So let us solve the problem. Solution. Given that under root of 1 minus x square plus under root of 1 minus y square is equals to a into x minus y. Now put x is equals to sin alpha and y is equals to sin beta. X is equal to sin alpha, y is equals to sin beta. Right, under root of 1 minus x square means what? Sin square alpha plus under root of 1 minus sin square beta. I am substituting in place of x is sin alpha, in place y is a sin beta. This is equals to a into x is sin alpha minus y is what? Sin beta. So under root of 1 minus sin square alpha can write as cos alpha, because one trigonometric formula is there. Under root of 1 minus sin square theta is equals to cos theta. That is comes from first identity. So plus this is also we can write now cos alpha, cos beta. This is cos alpha plus it is cos beta is equals to a into sin alpha minus sin beta. Now this is in the form of cos C plus cos D, and here this is in the form of sin C minus sin D. We write their formulas. Since this one cos C plus cos D is equals to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. And this one sin C minus sin D is equals to 2 cos C plus D by 2 and sin C minus D by 2. So now I am substituting it. So cos alpha plus cos beta can write is now 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 and cos alpha minus beta by 2 is equals to a into this cos sin alpha minus sin beta formula. Sin alpha minus sin beta formula is 2 cos C plus alpha plus beta by 2 and sin alpha minus beta by 2. So 2 cancel both the sides, and cos alpha plus beta by 2, cos alpha plus beta by 2 also gets cancelled. Now what is remains? Cos alpha minus beta by 2 is equals to a into sin alpha minus beta by 2. Then take this a this side, that becomes 1 by a is equals to sin alpha minus beta by 2, and take the cos term to right side, that becomes by cos alpha minus beta by 2. Now write this 1 by a as it is equals to sin alpha minus beta by 2 by cos alpha minus beta by 2 can write as tan alpha minus beta by 2. So next we can write now alpha minus beta by 2 is equals to tan inverse 1 by a. This alpha minus beta by 2 I am taking left side, and this 1 by a sending inside. So next write alpha minus beta is equals to this denominator 2 sent to right side, that becomes 2 into tan inverse 1 by a. That is what? 2 into tan inverse 1 by a. Now we substitute now alpha value and beta value. So already we assumed what? X is equals to sine alpha. From this we can write now alpha is equals to sine inverse x, and y is equals to sine beta. From that we can write beta is equals to sine inverse y. Now we can write this alpha as sine inverse x minus this beta as sine inverse x it is, and sine inverse y, beta is a sine inverse y, is equals to 2 tan inverse 1 by a. Now differentiate both sides. So write d by dx of sine inverse x minus sine inverse y is equals to d by dx of this 2 can write outside into tan inverse 1 by a. Here we are differentiating with respect to x, but in this term x is not there. That's what d by dx of tan inverse 1 by a is what? 0. So write d by dx into sine inverse x minus sine inverse y is equals to 2 into 0. So 2 into 0 is what? 0. Yes. Now this d by dx I am separating to sine inverse x and also sine inverse y. D by dx sine inverse x minus d by dx sine inverse y equal to 0. Take this minus term to right side. So d by dx sine inverse x is equals to minus becomes plus d by dx sine inverse y. Now I am writing the formula of d by dx sine inverse x is equals to 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Therefore d by dx of sine inverse x is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square is equals to d by dx of sine inverse y is 1 by under root of 1 minus y square into d by dx. D by dx is what? Y. So that this is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square is equals to 1 by under root of 1 minus y square into dy by dx. So dy by dx. Then now you take this under root of 1 minus y square to left side, here in the multiply with the numerator, that becomes under root of 1 minus y square by under root of 1 minus x square is equals to what? Dy by dx. So finally we can write now dy by dx is equals to this under root of numerator under root of and denominator under root of, we can write 1 under root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. Hence proved. What do we prove? Dy by dx is equals to under root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square.